Channel, and today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us character playing a video game. It's going to be real simple, easy. Let's do it. Going to go right here, and I'm going to draw a curve for the top of the head. This is like a step-by-step, by the way. It's going to be simple for pretty much anybody to do at any level. I'm going to pull this one down a little bit more. And so I'm going to draw the like a curve like so for kind of the windshield right there in front of his face. Curve right here. Line over here on this side, and then you want it to kind of curve like as well over here. Down right here. Curve. Alright, so he's aiming down a little bit, looking at that video game system he's about to play. And we're going to go right here and we're going to draw a line across. It's going to be the video game system itself. We're just going to have it like shaped as a block right here. Line like so. Going to go down the edge over here on this side. We're going to have his hand right here wrapped around it.
Sorry.
Curve right there. I don't know why my Alexa went off. That was crazy. Gonna go over here on this side now. We're gonna curve along this side, down, like so. So we have both hands wrapped around. You know, it's probably gonna be something like a switch, but we're just making it a block. It's gonna be simple. Line over here, down. Down, curve, downward over here, curve along the edge, up, line under here for the foot, down on this side right here. We're drawing the feet right there. He's going to have his feet planted firmly on the ground. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like this kind of thing. It definitely helps the channel out. And then we're going to keep curving along here like this. And then we're going to pull upward, right? So we have that kind of general crewmate body type. The crewmate in general right now, it's kind of hard. It's easy in some ways because they're so cute and soft and all that stuff. They don't have, there's not a lot of information to them. But when you know, do little things like curving the screen right there to make it look like he's looking down, that stuff is incredibly helpful, you know? Let's go over here and we're going to draw a little bit of a, let me see. I guess we could draw a little thing on here. I mean, what else does a switch have? Maybe we draw like a line on this side, down, like the Joy-Cons or something. That could kind of work. You could draw maybe like a little box here in the back, like maybe like old school, I don't know, like cartridge or something. It's just fun to do that sort of thing. It definitely helps out to do that. So we're gonna go over here, back, down, curve underneath. Right on. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a thicker line around the outside border. The reason you do that is because it makes it look better. This is like the best part about it, and it's the easiest part about it. Curve over here. Again, just kind of going on the outside border of the character. Definitely recommend anything that you want me to draw, by the way. I'm taking all kinds of requests. This was a request as well. If you have a request and you want to see something about how it's drawn or anything like that, just write it. Write it. Even if you write like 10 of them. Write a bunch of them over and over and over again. Or, you know, write them as separate comments. Write them, whatever it is that you have to do, write them. Because I'll respond to all of them, and then I'll probably put them on the list. But definitely, you know, go do that. There's a bunch of free stuff in the description as well. There's like a free email list. Basically, there's a free ebook that you can do. I go live every single day, you know, to go check that out. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do on the channel, so I am kind of, you know, pleased and happy that everybody's really, you know, having a good time and fun, having a good time and, you know, just kind of a fun time to hang out and stuff. Curve down over here. Curve around the corner on this side. Continue to kind of, again, you're making this thick line as a way to make it a little bit more animated. And what you're doing is you're making it, you're trying to give it like more flavor, right? That's kind of what we're trying to do. You can do the same thing over here to the front because this is forward a little bit. You kind of thicken out the line right here, the actual console. Because their hands are like magic, right? They're like these little like nubs that kind of move around, attached to nothing, right? So right here, we can same thing, kind of curve around the corner over here, and that also gives it like a really easy, you know, thing. I still got to get to the screen there as well to give him a little bit of reflective surface, because that's kind of what will make it look like that. Otherwise, it doesn't look like anything, right? Curve down over here. All right. Okay, let's get into that reflective surface over here. So right along here, what you can do is you can draw like an S curve along here to make it look reflective. That's an easy one. You can draw like a little highlight. You can draw a bunch of, basically a myriad of different things, but like let's keep it simple. I'm going to go over here and draw a little circle right there for a highlight on the top left-hand corner. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw like an S curve. So something like this. Something like that, right? You can even draw like an extra line coming off of that, and if you want, you can fill that in. You can fill it in solid, or you can just do this sort of thing. This is probably the area where you can do pretty much anything, and it's fine. That's probably the only part where you can draw pretty much. So I can draw like another line right here, same thing. It'll just look more like a reflective surface. And so that stuff's, you know, it works. It's good, and I think a lot of that practice that you're putting into other things, you can kind of throw your style into something like that, where you're pretty much, let's thicken this line a little bit as well. You can pretty much throw your design sense behind something that's custom like that. But yeah, let's draw another little block here for fun. The rest of this stuff is absolutely just fun, chill, mellow time, and, you know, like I said, suggest something that you want to see on the channel, and I'll do it. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk soon, okay? Also, one thing is, I want you to stay right there, and I want you to go along with the next video with me. We're going to go through another lesson that's going to start right now. So let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.